Hey guys, if you're watching me on replay, thank you. I am here at Nathan Phillips Square and I'm gonna have to do my tilt. One sec. Sorry. There we go. For some reason, I need to do that to get you guys on horizontal. So I am here at Nathan Phillips Square being bumped around like crazy. I do not quite understand why I'm being bumped around like crazy. Hey Patrice. It's Patrice, right? You should not have shut down. Why? That's okay. Guys, if you want to share, that would be awesome. Swipe to the right on iPhone, swipe up on Android. That would be fantastic. How is the reception?
Excuse me. Bye-bye.
How's the reception going? Thanks for the hearts. Perfect. Okay, great. Awesome, awesome. Thanks for sharing, guys. Thanks for sharing. Thanks. I see the hearts. Thank you. The Toronto sign again. You're in Toronto at Nathan Phillips Square for the 49th annual Light Festival. Cavalcade of lights. Sorry, my mind is frozen. So we are about to have the fireworks, guys. Neighbors in Buffalo, hello. I'm going to take you off my tripod and just use my hand here. I had a good picture before you changed your position. Now it's small on my eye. Oh no, I'm sorry. Hey Gil, welcome back. I'm in the crowd now. So I'm going to take you guys off my stand here. And I'm going to just have you like this. You're home now. I don't know why it should be small. Swifferbot. Hi. Thanks for inviting followers, guys. Thanks for sharing on Facebook. Thanks for all the hearts. 2 minutes. Guys, it's going to be great. Thanks everyone for coming on. Anyone watching on the replay, thank you. If you're watching on Apple TV, I hope you're very comfortable. Get ready for the fireworks. It's probably about a 10-minute walk behind me. Okay, what time is it? Fireworks are going to start. Yeah, I'm getting bounced around. Oh, that's very nice.